How do you meet I-485 eligibility for adjustment of status? Are you wondering how to meet the eligibility requirements for applying for adjustment of status using Form I-485? Let's break it down step by step to make it easier for you. First, you need to be physically present in the United States. This means you cannot apply for adjustment of status from outside the country. You must be here when you file your application. Next, you must have a valid basis for adjustment. This means you should qualify under one of the recognized immigrant categories. The most common categories include being an immediate relative of a United States citizen, such as a spouse, parent, or a married child under the age of 21. Other family-based categories include relatives of United States citizens or lawful permanent residents. If you are applying based on employment, you should have an approved petition. Refugees and asylees also have specific pathways for adjustment. Additionally, winners of the diversity visa lottery can apply as well. Another important requirement is having lawful entry into the United States. This means you must have been inspected and admitted or paroled by a United States immigration officer. If you entered the country legally with a valid visa, you meet this requirement. However, some exceptions exist for refugees and asylees. If you are applying based on a family or employment petition, you must ensure that the underlying immigrant petition is approved or filed at the same time as your Form I-485. Your priority date must also be current, which means a visa number must be available for you. You should also be aware of any bars to adjustment. This means you must not have any immigration violations or criminal issues that could prevent you from adjusting your status. It is important to disclose any criminal history or immigration violations when filling out the form. Lastly, you will need to submit supporting documentation. This includes proof of identity and lawful entry, such as your passport, visa, or I-90 for arrival record. You will also need a medical examination report, a financial support affidavit if applying based on family, passport-style photos, and the required filing fees. For Latino families navigating the United States immigration system, understanding these eligibility requirements is essential. Many family-based applicants qualify as immediate relatives or under family preference categories. Ensuring that the underlying petition is approved and that you are physically present in the United States with lawful entry is critical. Gathering complete and accurate documentation can help avoid delays or denials. To meet the eligibility for Form I-485, remember to be physically in the United States, qualify under a specific immigrant category, have lawful entry or an exception, have an approved petition with a current visa number, and submit all required documents and fees. This process allows eligible individuals to apply for a green card without leaving the United States, which is especially important for families seeking stability and unity.